Hi, this is Andrew from T is for Tech. Today I'm taking a look at my DJI Osmo Mobile 2 phone gimbal. So this video review is going to be one of my TMTR series, which is a 2-minute tech review where, I know everyone has plenty of things that they want to do and they don't want to sit and hear somebody talk for 25 minutes around about some certain piece of product or piece of technology. So I just want to take a few minutes to give a few thoughts on this DJI Osmo gimbal. Now I've had this thing for probably about 6 months, right? So it's not new to me. I had it for a while. I've taken it on a trip. So I did take a trip to South Dakota earlier this year, and I brought this as really my only camera to do video and take pictures with. I do have a bunch of other video gear and camera gear, but I decided to take this on the trip and check it out. Now, at the time, I was using it with a iPhone 7 Plus, and now I have the iPhone SX Max on it. But I did find that overall it really stabilized the photos in the pictures. The video I is what I mostly used it for, but did a good job of balancing the camera and smoothing out bumps and shakes and all of that. Now the one thing I would say, and towards the end of this video, I'm going to put in a bunch of clips from that trip, things where I took pictures. I took video out of the window of a car as we were driving, not as I was driving, but as my wife was driving. So just to kind of see, how it would correct bumps and that sort of thing. So I took a lot of video there. I took video walking. I took video, of Mount Rushmore and those sorts of things on vacation. So I'll throw a few of those clips in so you can see. The biggest problem I had, and I did use the iPhone camera app as well as Filmic Pro. I bought a license for that. The problem I had mostly was the optical image stabilization on the phone itself doing some weird things, right? And I'm sure if you've seen other videos on YouTube or read any reviews, that's one of the common complaints people have with the current model iPhones is that the phone's optical image stabilization fights with with the gimbal, right? And I don't know if that's better. I actually have not tried it much with the iPhone XS Max, so I'll be doing a little more testing with that and maybe do a follow-up on this. But really what I wanted to do is just, I've used it for a while. I took it on a trip. Generally positive feedback, right? It feels a little plasticky and, all that sort of thing. But overall, I really like how it works, right? I mean, it does a good job. That being said, please take a look at this if you're looking for it. Maybe by the time this is posted, they're going to be coming out with a version 3. So who knows? But yeah, I really like it. It's a good tool to have in your arsenal, especially if you're traveling and want to get a little bit better video than you can by hand holding it. So I don't know if that's been 2 minutes, but take a look at some of the videos at the end of this, some of the samples from the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, and thanks for watching.